The flesh needs to learn to give itself out of love and to receive out of love.
Donne ta vie.
Give your life.
Ne juge pas ton prochain.
Do not judge your neighbor.
Baisse-toi lorsque ton regard juge.
Lower your eyes when you realize that your eyes are judging.
Ainsi, tu te regarderas.
And in this way, you will look at yourself.
Et tu sauras que tu as besoin des autres.
And you will know that you need others.
La chair a besoin de savoir qu'elle est une seule chair.
The flesh needs to know that it makes up one single flesh.
Le corps le sait, lui.
The body already knows that.
Le corps, il a ses organes. Et lorsqu'il souffre, il les ressent.
The body has its own organs, and when there is suffering, the body feels it.
Il sait que lorsqu'il triche son foie, lorsqu'il triche sur la nourriture, son foie le lui dit.
The body knows that when the body eats food that is not very good, well, the liver will say so.
Mais lorsque ma chair triche,
but when my flesh cheats,
en ayant une pensée, un regard, une écoute, une parole, ou une action, ou un sentiment sans amour,
by having a thought or a gaze, a hearing, a word or an action or a feeling that is without love,
elle se referme.
It closes itself up.
Elle s'oublie.
It forgets itself.
Parce qu'elle a oublié qui elle est.
Because it has forgotten who it is.
Une seule chair.
One single flesh.
Nous voulons connaître des corps parfaits, n'est-ce pas?
We would love to have perfect bodies, would we not?
Si vous auriez deux choix devant vous, lequel des deux choisiriez-vous?
If you had to choose between two options, which one would you choose?
Un corps parfait qui ne vieillit pas, qui est beau, qui n'est jamais malade.
A perfect body that does not age and that is never sick.
Ou une chair qui a toujours de bonnes pensées, de bons regards, de bonnes écoutes, de belles paroles, de belles actions et de beaux sentiments. Lequel de ces deux choix aimeriez-vous avoir?
Or a flesh.
Qu'est-ce que vous dites?
Or a flesh that would always have thoughts of love, gazes of love, hearing of love, actions of love, feelings of love, and words spoken with love. And the people at the back said, well, we want both.
Alors, celles qui ont dit les deux, eh bien, vous n'aurez ni un ni l'autre.
She said, those who said, so the Lord said, those who said they want both, you will have neither.
Parce que vous n'avez pas compris la cause de la souffrance de la chair.
Ou du corps. Non, c'est de la chair.
De la chair.
Oui, de la chair. And why did he say this? He said it's because you have not understood the cause of the suffering of the flesh.
Comme vous n'avez pas compris la cause de la souffrance de la chair, le corps restera toujours là où il est, en premier.
And since you have not understood the cause of the suffering of the flesh, the body will always stay there where it is in the first place. Mm-hmm. In other words, we give our importance first and foremost to the body.
Ça fait combien d'années qu'on s'occupe du corps?
We've been looking after our bodies for so many years now.
Cela fait longtemps, n'est-ce pas?
We've been doing so for a long time.
Pourquoi Caïn a-t-il frappé son frère?
Why did Cain strike his brother?
Parce qu'il souffrait, parce qu'il était incapable de regarder son frère
Because he was suffering, and that he was incapable of looking at his brother
en étant lui-même.
by being himself.
Il regardait toujours son frère, et plus il regardait toujours son frère, plus il souffrait.
His eyes were always upon his brother, and the more he would look at his brother, the more he would suffer.
Plus il souffrait et plus il le regardait.
And the more he was suffering, the more he was looking at him.
Et plus il le regardait, plus sa souffrance le dardait.
And the more he looked at him, the more his suffering was chewing away at him.
Il ne pouvait plus s'empêcher de regarder son frère.
He could no longer stop himself from looking at his brother.
Il voulait l'étriper seulement qu'à le regarder.
He wanted to choke him off right then and there.
Sa mauvaise habitude de regarder son frère lui a fait connaître de grandes souffrances.
And that bad habit that he had of always looking at his brother had him experience great suffering.
Et cela a amplifié, cela s'est amplifié.
And this grew and grew and grew in intensity all the time.
Alors il s'est développé quelque chose en lui, quelque chose qui ne lui appartenait pas.
So something developed itself within Cain, something that did not belong to him,
Une anomalie.
an anomaly.
Une anomalie, c'est quelque chose qui est comme difformé.
An anomaly is something that does not have the shape that it should.
Alors il s'était transformé en un être étranger face à lui-même.
So he had transformed himself into a being that was strange to was foreign to who he was.
Son frère était ce qu'il était,
His brother was who he was,
mais parce qu'il regardait tout le temps son frère, il avait pris cette habitude-là. Avec le temps, il s'est laissé transformer par l'extérieur.
but since with time all the time he had his eyes on his brother. With time, as the time went on and time went on, he was transformed. In that bad habit of always looking at his brother transformed him, Cain, into something that was foreign to who he was.
Sa souffrance était tellement grande en lui.
And his suffering was so great within him.
Il est devenu tout noir à l'intérieur.
He became all black within
Il
himself.
ne le voyait plus.
He could no longer see him.
Ce qu'il voyait maintenant, c'était ce qui le faisait souffrir.
All he saw now was what was causing him to suffer.
Alors il a levé la main sur son frère.
So he raised his arm against his brother.
Ce n'est pas le fait d'avoir regardé son frère dehors, c'est ce qui l'a transformé.
Je suis pas capable de... Je comprends pas, Seigneur. Je te demande pardon.
Répète.
Mais je suis pas capable, parce que je comprends pas.
Ce n'est
Ok.
pas ce
OK.
qu'il a regardé son frère,
OK, it's not what he was looking at, his brother.
c'est ce qui l'a transformé,
It's what transformed him.
la noirceur.
The darkness.
Qui était dehors, elle a pénétré.
The darkness that
lui.
was outside of him penetrated within him.
Alors, comme la noirceur était en lui, il
So-
ne le voyait plus.
So now that there was darkness within him, il voyait plus son frère.
Comme un enfant de Dieu.
OK. He could no longer see his brother as a child of God.
Il regardait son frère
He would just look at his brother,
comme un étranger.
but saw his brother as a stranger.
Il s'était occupé de son corps avant de s'occuper de la chair.
He had taken care of his own body before looking after the flesh.
Je travaille,
I work.
Je veux avoir une bonne récolte.
I want to have a good harvest.
Je veux garder ce qui est bon pour moi.
I want to keep what is good for me.
Il s'occupait de ses courbatures.
He looked after his weary bones.
Il s'occupait aussi des heures qu'il prenait à travailler la terre.
And he calculated the number of hours that he spent tilling the soil.
Et il se préoccupait plus de lui-même que de la récolte qu'il devait donner à qui? À
And
Dieu.
preoccupied himself more with who he was than with what he was to give back of his crops to God.
Son corps devenait très important.
His body was becoming very important.
Il en oubliait la raison
And he forgot the
de
purpose
sa présence sur la terre.
of his presence upon the earth.
Puisqu'Adam et Ève, les premiers, instruisaient ses enfants,
Since Adam and Eve, the first ones, were instructing their children,
ils avaient perdu l'intelligence de la divine volonté. Donc, Adam et Ève instruisaient.
they had lost the intelligence of the divine will, and that is why Adam and Eve were instructing.
Ce que Dieu mettait en eux,
What
il
God,
le donnait.
what God was placing in them, they would give.
Mais lui se fermait à ses paroles
But Cain closed himself off to these teachings
parce que son corps était trop important pour lui.
because his body was too important for him.
Et c'est depuis ce temps que le corps pour nous est important.
And it is since then that our body has become very important for us.
Nous devons aimer notre corps après la chair.
We are to love our body after the flesh.
La chair, ce sont tous les enfants de Dieu.
And the flesh is all of God's children.
Vous souvenez-vous, il faut aimer Dieu, aimer son prochain.
Do you remember we are to love God and love our neighbor?
Il n'y a pas de plus grand amour que de donner sa vie pour ceux qu'on aime.
There is no greater love than giving one's life for those one loves.
Il faut comprendre que notre corps n'a pas la première place, c'est la chair.
We are to understand that it is not our body that has the first place, but the flesh,
Afin de connaître qui nous sommes.
in order for us to be able to know who we are.
Oui, il faut aimer son corps.
Yes, we are to love our body.
Pour aimer son corps, il faut avoir de bonnes pensées, de bons regards, de bonnes écoutes, de bonnes paroles, des bonnes actions et de bons sentiments.
And in order to love our body, we need to have good thoughts, good gazes, good hearing, good words, good feelings, and good actions.
Et là, je laisserai mon corps se bercer. Je lui donnerai de l'amour et tout ce qui entrera en lui montrera que je l'aime. Et nous ne pouvons montrer à notre corps qu'on l'aime que si nous avons les paroles, les sons de la divine volonté.
And we can only show our body that we love it if we have the words and the sounds of the divine will.
Merci Seigneur.
Thank you, Lord.
C'est un petit pas pour nous amener à comprendre la gloire de Dieu. Il faut la mériter.
This is a little step to have us understand the glory of God and that we must be worthy of it.
Alors allons nous coucher.
So let's go to bed.